we got something special for you today, bro. If you guys remember our boy Aaron right here, he was at the very end of JSR back in the day. Right at the end of when we stopped filming, so you kind of got shafted on the experience, bro. Might have picked up the cheapest scat pack in the country. How much did you pay for this? We're gonna show it in a second.
Out the door, like just under 30.
Just under 30 for a scat pack. Oh my god, bro. It runs, it drives. It doesn't look that bad, bro. To be honest, this is not bad.
It's getting fixed. My gardener did that.
Your gardener? Wait, what the? No, dude.
Ago, my gardener's trailer backed into it.
No, dude, not the gardener.
So that's getting, the door is getting fixed, but other than that.
So Aaron picks up the cheapest scat pack in America. That we know of, That's not wrecked and drives. The cheapest scat pack that drives, that runs and drives good. There are a couple things that you might be able to tell right off the bat. These tips are poking, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna get resonator deleted soon. It'll push it back a little bit.
Okay.
Diffuser on it a little bit.
Well, I would say that this exhaust, it's safe to say that this thing is not stock. And this is gonna be exciting, bro. Damn, bro. It's not that bad, bro. It's a little rough around the edges.
It's a 10-footer, you know?
A 10-footer, you know? We could always wrap this, dude. I kind of get the vibe that we're gonna be wrapping some cars here on this channel relatively soon. So we've never wrapped a car before, but we're gonna learn. We got a few cars to learn on, so we're gonna get to it. But I think it's time. First off, we get a little rev from the outside, and then next we take it for a little spin. Sounds beefy, dude. Hey, you know what?
You know me.
I think you called your shot back in the day, bro. You said there wasn't enough V8s on the channel, or if any at all. There was.
I did.
Yeah. All right, Aaron, you're my American Muscle friend. How you feel about Miatas?
It's missing 4 cylinders.
Let's take it for a little ride. All right, we're in the cheapest scat pack that runs and drives in the country right here. This has CarPlay.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
It has CarPlay. Hold up. Flex the CarPlay, bro. Yo, dude,
you know?
that's hey.
The warns for the cops. Warns for the cops.
We should probably say obviously it's a Scat Pack Charger. Okay, what year is it, dude?
It's a 2019. Just under 30, 40,000 miles.
Oh my god. There are a few catches, of course, you know, in order to get the cheapest scat pack in the country.
Yeah, obviously.
You know,
there's some little things.
Yeah, salvage title, but that's fine. That's fine.
You know,
maybe.
Of course, when you wrap it, you know what'll tell.
Yeah, we have a theory. Okay, there's no cops. Give it a little something. You don't have to go crazy. You don't gotta go crazy. She yoinks, dude. She yoinks.
She moves. You know me.
We're heading back to the house right now. We gotta fix a few things up. We gotta freshen it up just a little bit today. We're not gonna go too crazy. Although I think one of these days we should probably do a full detail on the car. We'll probably get to that, give it a nice little foam bath, give it a full detail, get it looking as nice as it possibly can in its current state. Its current state though is not bad for being the cheapest scat pack in the country. Oh, that's a solid backup camera, bro.
It's not bad.
They got the trunk joint,
you know, it's a decent backup camera.
You know, we'll take it, bro. It's like 360p. It's not 480. It's 480. That is the carbon truck from the 8.6, bro. I gotta toss that. I don't think you guys understand. I don't know if I showed it in the selling the 8.6 video, but this thing's clad, bro. There's some parts that, you know. I would just throw that. I'm gonna stuff that in Robert's apartment's dumpster, bro.
No shot.
I can't believe we're already back to using this, bro. I thought after the selling the 8.6 video, I thought we'd be done with heat guns, but I have a feeling it's a good thing we have 2 of these because I feel like we're just gonna be using these for the next like couple months on the channel. So probably guess what we're using this on. You can see this tail light tank, dude. This is like
it's a disaster.
Yeah.
It's like a I don't know, it's more like a piece of vinyl, to be honest.
Yeah, this is
piece of vinyl.
Yeah. You know what? This might not actually be
than anything.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to heat it up, try to get it off, and
as
big of a piece as we can. At least it sounds good. We have no clue what this is. We're thinking overspray or something, but
some kind of compound maybe.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. You know what?
Who's got a SRT factory diffuser? I'll buy it. Oh yeah.
They paint over it or?
Nah, see, the craziest part, stock badges are expensive.
Are they really?
Stock Scat Pack, or I bought this Scat Pack just under 30. I got the guy to order me the badges. Factory badges, picked them up from Dogs. They're in the glove box.
Oh, let's go, dude. Let's see those. Let's see those. I want to see these badges. Which are the badges?
Bro, if I were to order them, they were like 300, 400 bucks.
Oh my god, there's no way, dude.
Yeah,
there's no. I'd just go on eBay, bro.
It's ridiculous. Yeah, but I told him I wanted the real ones.
Yeah.
So there's the B for the trunk.
Oh,
we gotta get that thing on there soon. And then we got guess we'll just do that, you know?
Unboxing video, you know?
I guess we'll unbox it here.
Yeah. So hard.
It's gonna go so hard. But I think before we put these on, we order some SXT badges, run those for a couple minutes.
Try to bait some people?
Yeah, because those are gonna go hard. But
oh my
some
God,
SXT
bro.
badges.
Another thing that we can kind of notice, obviously we said that we were most likely going to get to wrapping it at some point because of the vandalism. The paint's, you know, it's a little orange peely.
Yeah, so it was repainted.
Yeah.
Because you can see maybe in a couple of spots where it looks like it might have been hail damage. I think it might be more like a golf club. These windows are still the stock windows.
Oh, that's nice. They didn't break the windows.
So they
kept
break
the windows.
They didn't get inside. It looks like they might have tried to get in the fuel door, but they didn't get in. If you go look at it, that's kind of...
Yeah, that's kind of...
But that's an easy fix.
Yeah.
We'll get that fixed and then it's...
Sun's coming out a little bit more. You might be able to see. Taillight's kind of clear right there. It's mainly just like, it gets pretty tough.
That texture.
Let me describe. Oh, dude, that's like grip tape on a skateboard, bro.
Bad, dude.
Yeah, we got to get that off, bro. So we're working on that today. We're definitely gonna be needing this, bro, badly. We see under the hood, bro, because you already know we're gonna have some doubters out there, bro.
Look at the seats.
Look at the seats. Look at the seats. Well, I'm no Dodge expert, but that is not a 5.7, so
SRT.
it's a big boy. What kind of MPG is he getting, bro?
On a good day?
Yeah.
9.4.
That's why I bought the N, guys. That's why I bought the N. We can't be doing that, bro. My favorite part about these cars, though, is the aftermarket little intakes and the little ducts in the grill that you can get, bro. That's gotta be my favorite, bro.
That's gonna come next because this is sun damaged. You can see it might have sat outside right here. This is a little bit faded.
We can restore that.
Well, nah. I'm just gonna order this whole upper grill.
Oh man,
comes with the LED running lights in this.
Yes, sir. I honestly, the one thing it's got going for it, if we're wrapping it, the base color of the car is black, so you don't have to wrap the door jambs. It looks like a tad bit lower than like normal. I don't know.
Angle more than like I see other Chargers angling. You know
Yeah, so it's, I don't know, that's a toughie. We're back at it with the glue gun, unfortunately. We're about to drench this thing, honestly, because we got, this is just, dude, the more I look at it, the more pissed off I get. Let's just get to it.
It's coming.
It's coming. It's getting there. Doesn't it burn your fingertips?
Oh yeah.
This was us the whole time that we were unwrapping the 8.6, bro.
Really?
It's so bad, yeah.
Oh god.
It's the most annoying. Honestly, if I ever get a car wrapped again, which I 110% will, I'm not unwrapping it myself. It's the most annoying, tedious thing to do. Dude, this is coming out way better than I thought it would. There's no way.
Oh shit.
Don't you love the smell of burning vinyl, bro? Is that
Burning skin out under there. Oh.
it feels different from vinyl? Yeah, it's definitely just like a taillight film, bro.
It's just bad taillight.
Yeah, it's definitely cheap. Nah, tell me why this dude just found the meta for peeling this, bro. He just did about 6 inches, which is a lot. Like a span of like 10 seconds right there. Dude, yo. We thought we were gonna be here chipping away at it, bro.
I thought that was a 2-hour taillight.
Oh my God, we just busted that out in 5 minutes, bro. You know what? I've been doing too much standing around. Get a little sidetracked. He's cleaning. You know, he's getting some of the buffing compound out of the hood area. Figured I'd make myself useful. I mean, he's got a front plate bracket on this, you know. So we gotta
get that thing out of there.
We gotta get that out. Come on. Well, it's not necessarily pretty.
Oh, what is that?
Looks like we got some film right here.
Yeah. Okay. So the car used to be gray. I gotta replace the lower grill now too.
Yeah. This thing's gonna take some work.
I think I kind of forgot to repaint it.
Cheapest pack scat. Yep, cheapest scat pack in the country. This is what we expected.
The weight reduction, you know, all the insulation's out of there.
Yeah. All right, guys. As you can notice, the shark fin antenna on the roof is actually, it's like wrapped in a gray. So we're gonna do a little surprise pack here. We're gonna see what's underneath the gray, bro. I'm a little nervous. Best case scenario, this ends up being like a gloss black and matches the rest of the car. Worst case scenario, I already got it pulled up right here. We got an eBay shark fin antenna. $15.39 with 2-day shipping, bro. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. So it's worth it. Oh, what is it?
Oh.
Is it bad?
Oh, I don't think so.
Oh, you don't think it's bad?
Oh, I don't think so.
Dude, that is a gloss black. That is the best paint on the car, dude.
That's better?
Yo, that's kind of gas.
Oh, wait.
Wait, is it bad? What happened?
What's under there?
Oh. Yeah, you know, yeah, I mean.
Well, now we gotta order that. I think
maybe, oh, dude, I think it lifted. Yeah, I just lifted up the paint in that part, bro.
I'm gonna try to just do it from this side now. Fuck,
yeah.
I think I pulled a little bit hard over there. Let's heat this up and push it down.
Plot twist? What?
Plot twist. I'm just gonna reseal that paint real quick. Out my finger. Oh, it's a little bit torn over there too.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
We'll let that cool with the wind, you know? I ordered the carbon one for 100 maybe.
Yeah.
Be a little hot boy with my
Yeah, a
carbon.
little hot boy carbon. Oh, we got a temporary solution here. Give me 1 second. We were just discussing, we ran into an issue with the antenna. We got white paint right there, so instead of a shark fin antenna, you're kind of rocking the Shamu joint.
I got that Shamu.
All right, well, we all knew where this was heading.
Oh no.
Is it not going good?
Oh no.
Oh, there you go, dude.
Oh, that's a 10-footer, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, hey, that would pass standards.
I would say so. Oh, no, we're going crazy with the Sharpie joint,
No,
bro.
dude, I don't know
I don't know
about
about the mirrors.
I don't know about the mirrors.
We can live with a little scuffing on the mirrors,
Hit
get
me up
rapid
if you,
eventually.
like, maybe you're selling your car, you like carbon fiber mirror.
Yeah,
I don't know, hit me up.
exactly. Kind of finishing up the taillights right here. A little bit of adhesive on it. We're just gonna apply a little bit more heat. And then of course, we got the Goo Gone joint right there. You just smack the taillights with the heat gun.
Yeah.
You can totally see it right here, bro. This side right here is so freaking clean. And then this side has the rest of that adhesive on. Dude, yeah, your rear ends actually look so good.
There, once I get that B over there or that SXT, we'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe RT. I'll be almost truthful.
She's about to be sitting pretty, bro. Car as a whole is just it's a little bit dirty right now, but huge work done to the back end on these taillights today. That was the main thing that we wanted to accomplish today. We thought it was gonna take hours just chipping away at it. Ended up getting it like crazy. Ended up just getting some of the compound that was still left on the car off. And then this dude's using a weed whacker over there. Ended up finding this out today. So that was, I mean, hey, that's a plus. That's a plus. Probably gonna go ahead, sound off the video here. Appreciate everyone that comes back to support the JSR videos, even after all these years, man. I appreciate it. We're actually recording this before we even drop our first one back. So I don't know what the support's looking like, but I mean, we did drop a TikTok the other day and it's going ballistic. So I appreciate all the support from everyone, man. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. We'll be back at it again with some more content here and some more cheapest scat pack in America type shit. So it's gonna be a good time, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. Catch you guys in the next video.